All right, guys. So today we're actually up here in the kitchen because I'm packing to get ready for a little trip to head out west to go see my mother. Yep. Anyways, I've got a bunch of stuff here on the table that I'm going to be taking with me. Put my glasses on. Um, and of course, I do have my full size luggage, but I got a lot of stuff here. And the folks over at Troubadour, now they make all kinds of bags, and I've been using their bags for a long time now. They are, I don't know, they're not, I don't want to say they're inexpensive bags by any means. Uh, they definitely have a bit of a price to them. But I think, for the fact that I've used some of their small bags, their duffel bags, their backpacks, um, they look kind of classy, which I do like actually. And they've just, if you look at the bags today after I've used them for years, and I use them on every trip, uh, they still look brand new, which to me is quite amazing. But anyways, they sent over. You may be able to see Troubadour. Troubadour. They sent me over their new Apex 4 bag. So I have used their previous Apex bags, and I was actually going to be packing one of those up to take on this trip. But this arrived in the mail today, so I was like, well, isn't that good timing? So I'm going to take a look at it. I don't know much about it. But really, what I do know and what I do care about is it going to fit all my stuff in it? Because I don't like carrying a big bag with me. So I like a bag that's, of course, big enough. But again, when I'm on a plane or anything like that, here's another thing for those of you that, ride a motorcycle. If you can ever figure out how this box opens, there's got to be some kind of weird magic to it, right? Maybe does that pop up? I don't think so. It's going to get down here. Anyways, for those of you that ride a motorcycle like me, uh, this bag, at least the previous bag, fit in the what you call it, the trunk, like it was made for it. Yes, sir. Oh, there it is. So I don't even know what color this is that they sent. It looks more of got a bluish hue to it, which I like because my other ones are black. So I think this one's got a bit of a blue hue to it. That's nice. See? And I believe these are, they have some leather on them, but a lot of it, as far as I know, recycled, a lot of recycled material, which is cool. Even up here, like some weather resistant strips. And like I said before, I've been using these, I don't even know how many years now. And all I can say is good things about them. So as you can see, everything's packaged really well. I'm dropping stuff over here. And when you look at it in its form right now, not being filled with anything, right? As you look at the side, like it's not, like it's fairly um thin, I would say. But on the side here, of course, you do get like things like your bottle holder, and if you want to put a water bottle in there, or you want to put some other stuff in here, you got one on each side. This one's actually zip. I don't think mine has a zip on the side of this one, so that's kind of nice. These can expand, so you have little elastics there. Nice padding up on the top. This, again, has the ability for you and I to be there. It looks like you can put something in there if you want on this side, which is nice. And I'm a bigger guy, so they do fit. It fits me, which is good. Now, they don't have like a belt strap or a chest strap or anything like that. Realize it's kind of designed as like a day bag. It's not like a hiking bag or anything like that. But yeah, very well put together. This is new. Even this one here, it's got a nice little weather resistant. I don't know if you guys can see it, right? It's like a weather resistance. I want to say weather resistant, not like waterproof strap on it. Some more tape stuff here. And I love, this is big for me, again, because I ride a lot, and I put like even camera stuff in here, usually in another container. But all the zippers, like they're nice, big, thick zippers. So again, I don't know if you can kind of see that the pull tabs here, right? Like they're nice, large pull tabs, which is great. So it does have on the side here, registered to get a 5-year protection. Sweet. Pack boldly, dream bigger. Yeah, excellent. So the key here, again, 2 spots you see on the back here. If I can, oh, this one even has like a little panel that protects from like rain on the side here. I like that. That's new. So inside this part, you're gonna get, you guys maybe to see it. This is where your laptop and your iPad and all that kind of goodness goes in there. Crash pad cocoon, they call it. Oh, that's got way more padding. Again, you may be able to see it. See right there, like that's thick. Oh, they've made some good improvements. I was pretty happy with the previous one, but that's got lots. Anyways, in here, this is where I would put, you put your keys. You attach them on here if you need to. But it's great for like your passport, your wallet. You may be able to put sunglasses in there, etc., etc. And then of course you have your main pouch, your main compartment. This has got a bag in it. We're not going to take that with us. But inside here, when you look, it's actually like, it's a good size. It's a good size. It does have little sections on the side here, again, with zippers for being able to put your, I don't know, your phone in there, your pens, your calculator, if you have one of those. It's all zipped up, so everything is protected. It's a lovely bag. And it even has a little pouch on the side on here for putting something. Maybe you have something that you just don't want flopping around. You want to know exactly where it is. So that's cool. Anyways, let's see what we can pack in here. So first thing I have, which takes up the biggest space, is because I'm going on a flight, right? I need some kind of entertainment. So this is coming with me. So I'm going to put that in there for now. And I do have a ton of like cables. So to be more efficient, of course, I'm going to take all the cables that I have, anything that's cable-like, because again, we're trying to, I always travel with way more cables than you need because you're going to get somewhere and realize, oh no. Yeah, oh no. So this is going in my little case here. Is it organized? No. Do I need all these cables? Well, I'll probably keep one or two of them just out for charging purposes because, again, I'm on a flight today that's from the time I get to the airport to the time I get to where I'm going, about 12 hours with layovers. So I'm going to be there a fair amount of time. So that's going to close up. Yes. Okay. So I got my entertainment system. I've got this lovely case here, another fair size one. This one, just so you guys know, has all my little Insta360 cameras on it, which I always bring with me. Sweet. That stacks up here. I have a battery and an HDMI cable, just in case I get to a hotel, anything like that, where I need, possibly I want to be able to connect it to something, right? So I have that there. I also have another battery. So this is, I'm moving stuff. Sorry, guys. This is another battery. So this battery, along with this battery, are both like 2,500 milliamp hours. So both of them are under the flight regulation. So I got both of these for taking with me. And I have a Thunderbolt dock that I bring with me. Again, something that I can charge all my devices in because it's got a ridiculous amount of USB ports for charging. Plus, it has all your HDMI outs. So again, I can plug my computer in if I need to, somewhere at the TV. And of course, the power plug for it. And a little selfie stick. Because who doesn't need a little tripod selfie stick? Yes? Yes. Oh yeah, and my new headphones, which I am loving. These are the new Sony's, the XM6s. Fantastic headphones. Gonna be great for the flight. Okay, so let's just see. Got to put them in the right order. So biggest thing on the bottom. All right, so we're gonna put that down there. Which, does it fit? Does it fit? It should fit. Come on now, you're gonna fit in there. Yes. Yes, it does. Right? It's tight. I'll give it that. It is tight. But is it going to fit? Staring off into the distance. So it's a little tighter than I might want. I can't remember if what other one was tight like that too. Anyways, let's just pull this off. I think I just snapped my... Oh, that'll just go back in there. That's okay. Anyways, this we're going to put sideways. Sideways. Yes? Sideways. It's probably better anyway. This sideways. There we go. Things are working now. Sideways, sideways. Then we have headphones, which you can't fit. Also, here. Sweet. Hard drives. Hard drive, because I'm not bringing a laptop. Now, if I was bringing a laptop, I'd probably put these things in here. Actually, I probably will be bringing a laptop. I probably should bring a laptop. Anyways, these are nice and thin, which is good. Then I just take these batteries. I'm going to slide those in there. Batteries, slide that in there. The dock, the dock, maybe not. Cables though, you can't. Let's try to do this up a little bit. So that's okay. That does up. Oh, it's got a nice little pull tab there. That's cool. We're gonna pull this up a little bit. Again, zippers on both sides gives me a little bit more room. So because I have more room, dock in the top. Yes, dock in the top. Can I put my hard drives in here? Yep. How about this? No, I'm crammed for sure. I am crammed in there, but this is way more than most of us would take, let's say, to work, right? But yeah, that's in there. These cables, which are just some extra cables, I would put in here. Okay. And of course, I'll have room for my laptop in the back. Now, what I didn't have room for was this. And again, I want you guys to know honestly how much I can fit in here. So I fit pretty much everything. This didn't fit. So this is going to have to go in my luggage, which is fine because I really only need this when I get to the hotels. So I don't need to necessarily carry this with me. The dock itself, I probably will take out and put in my actual luggage because again, my luggage is there. I just really need to carry stuff that I need on the plane. So yeah, very good. I think these bags are fantastic. And honestly, if you watch the channel, you'll see me carry again the old ones around all the time. Plus, what you'll see now is, because this one's blue, you'll see me using this now all the time. All right, guys, this is the new Troubadour Apex 4 bag, 4.0. Very, very nice. I like that I have this. I can use, because I'll be getting the fluids at the airport. Yep, fluids at the airport. All right, guys, that's it for me. I'll put links down below where you can pick this one up or see some of their other bags because they do make lovely bags. All right, links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys next video. I gotta get ready. My plane's leaving pretty soon.